Before them bring the girl go hospital and the girl a dead TPCS MH.
And police, police boy, and police are ready, man. How would the blood clot are going out there? Police boy get a decent box. There, good. Yeah. Come watch it at war, boy. I tell her get KFC festive.
At 4 times you get beaten.
Oh, you mean her mother come? You see the girl bring her mother and free her mother come get beaten. Boof, baff, boof in her back.
The girl get beaten up. The
girl, but you see girl walk up and shoot. You see girl that kick the fan, you see girl up on the table and kick that. You see girl walk out there.
You see? Mash up, done. See that? Nah, drive good. I tell you, when you look up there, so, see the other one there. Nah, drive good at all, brother. Look there. See it? That look like one time. It look like nobody gets hurt though. Legal accident are going to be NewJa.
Plate now run up here, sir. School over, kids need to go home to them parents. At this, government send out them bad dogs to come take with the people in vehicle now. A man will hustle like the picnic them got them yard. Look how much picnic stand up on the roadside and go, man. Cannot go home. The government them need to do something about this. The government them need to understand what they are doing. We don't have no red plate round here where people are going to get picnic are going to get for God them yard now. No red plate is on the side of road. These kids going up in the hills and in the bushes and all them places. And you have the kids them on the roadside lingering just because of transport authority. What the meaning of this? And the man vehicle license. Take it up, put it on the truck, and the man will pay how much thousands of dollars to get it back. No red plate run around this side. So the kids them are going to stand up until night. Some of them get hurt. Higgle. When them should have gone at them yard, appear slackness in a Jamaica country. Jamaica is too slack. Jamaica is too slack. Jamaica is too slack. I don't know why these people have to pick the choose this time to take away the vehicle and when the kids them have to go at them yard. You understand? Look how the kids them stand up. This is not right. Why the government don't put some red plate vehicle around here then? Why the government don't put some red plate vehicle around here? So the guys them can run and make them money. And the kids them can.
Subscribers, good morning, good evening, good night. So we see police and them two man I catch up. You see what me I say? Look like all the truck man them, cause the truck they up park on the side. I hit them drive. So what me I say? The man in the red. The police one must lick the driver, lick whosoever I'm par with. You see what me I say? or bad up the man. So the man in the red make him know say, what you bad up the man for? What you want to lick the man for? Y'all want discharge a firearm and them thing there. So me I say, so police I say want to that. And that me I tell you about them police here. It's like nobody can talk to them when them a do what them a do. You can't talk, you have to just easy back and make them deal with it anyway. And it not really go so. That's what me I say. Because the man in the red see police are the fuckery. Want lick the big man. That's what me I say. So the man I make him know say, yo, what you want lick the man for? You know say a fuckery I do. And the police I tell the man to want him to that and go on like him want pop off gun for the man and you know, I go up in a man face and them thing. And that's why I tell you say people now go respect them as police officers. You see me and all the transport authority man and hold on him shoulder and thing, you see? You see police and the man now ready right there, so this you call art of war. And the two transport them the one side are easy. Just easy but a look. Everybody the one side a look. So I just you and I make love deed what I deal with. You understand me I say? So I tell you, police only need to deal with the Jamaican people them good. When you know if I true you corrupt or you know have government for back and the government go no all authority. Cause when you come on road, you know man, you come on road mad, you know, you come to terrorize people and call them money, you know. Me I tell you no, and bring on the government system. When you know no little leniency on people we say, yeah, alright then, go on. Everybody who you see no pressure. God bless the good police them out there way give people them little blind and them thing there. But me I tell you no man, I wanna wickedest thing right now mash up Jamaica. Everybody are complaining about the government and the police, government and the police, government and the police. We need a change now. Me I tell you we need a change in Jamaica. All over go born come see certain thing and certain thing I go on long time. But we need a change now. We can't go around and join the force. And then we don't want to come on road. Come feel like say we don't want to deal with people any way. I want to deal with people are going to deal with you back, you know. Me I tell you no. You understand? Because every little thing I be a badness when I push. When I say una alone, but everybody at Jamaica I be a badness. Nobody no want to solve nothing or what I call it. Yeah. You see me? Police don't fi easy on yourself man, and this one you get trained for. When you get trained to deal with people good. So when you come on road man, you know, talk to people good man, no want to abuse nobody. You understand me? I say una police, una have gun, una have no button, una have pepper spray. You no need feeling no cussing and no bloop with nobody. You understand? Sorry about that. You no need to do that. I tell you no. You see me? Because we don't have no firearm if it come to any necessary, we don't have to draw it. And we don't have to draw it when you can draw the little button we don't have the iron something there on the draw with the pepper spray. Yeah. And every time, because at the end of the day, if you stay so and call me and say, hello sir, come here. Or big man, look here, give me a minute there. The police want to talk to you. Yeah, me I go approach because they don't approach me nice. But if you not look for me and talk about, hey boy, stop, hey boy, come here and your police will call you. Hey boy, hear me say stop chat. Like, oh, I can't so much right or so much power we have over the people. And we put you on there, and people them pay you know. We're supposed to deal with the people with the respect. Make people look up to you, and that's why I be a corruption in Jamaica. You understand me and say be a corruption. Be a corruption. I don't know when Jamaica go really build up and say the people in there and we are live good and people and make money. And we don't stop sell out Jamaica and sell out the industry them and we have good government total. We don't really want no more government. A president want right now out there. We tired of the back and forth with the JLP, PMP, JLP, because the two of them are come to the country and rob up and rob up. So money them when people forget and the money if run in the country, we not get it. And we not pay people good again. You understand? Everybody I try rob something or I try dig something off of people. We not set no job there for the people, and even if you job there in the workplace, I be a bad mind. Them no want pay you when pay time come. I be a go round thing when pay time come and want short pay and them something them. I don't understand how Jamaica system, you know. I say, I just God I make the people must survive out here with UNO police and the politician and the big eyes them where I mash up the place and I make the people live under poverty. I tell you no. Because even Jones come in with this thing, you know, where matter about tax.